I'm at Glacier National Park and stayed here for a total of 2 nights and staying in West Glacier. And I found this really cute cabin called Sky Eco Cabins. It's only like a 13-minute drive to the Apgar village. So that's where they have like that beautiful lake with the colorful rocks, Lake McDonald. When we walked into the cabin, I was so amazed with how cute it was in here. I was really excited because I love cabins, one, but if it has a really cute decoration on top of that, it's even better. So yeah, let me give you a little tour of this cabin. So yeah, right now we're about to check out. So we have all this stuff laying around right now, but it's not too bad. It was actually messier earlier because there's not much storage space. So we kind of had to like lay our stuff on the couch, and I had to like use these chairs to put my luggage on top. But yeah, we're kind of rushing to do this review because it's 9:42 and I have to check out by 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. is like a really early checkout, by the way. So I wish they would have at least, done 11 o'clock. That's like normal time because check-in is after 3 p.m. So I just feel like they could do the checkout at 11 a.m. Anyway, the bed was very comfortable. I slept really great both nights. And it's right next to the window. And that's the highway right there. But surprisingly, you don't really hear very many cars go by. I mean, obviously they go by like you see right there, but it's not that loud. And maybe a little soothing if you do hear it a little bit. But again, you barely hear the cars go by. So there's like this little ledge here, which I use sometimes to put my stuff. The bed itself I love this frame. So they have outlets here. They have a couple of outlets and a couple of USB ports. They also have a ledge up top here where you can place your things. Like we have like sunglasses and phone there. I charge like my phone every night there. I love the bedding that they used. I love the blanket and the color choice is great. I like the dark grays and light grays. It's very comfy. And then next to the bed is this cute couch. So like I said, most of the time we just use this as storage to place our things down because we just didn't have that much space. Originally I thought this was like a sofa bed, but it does not turn into a bed. It is a regular couch, but it's a very nice plush couch. I think they did a fantastic job choosing this couch. Finding couches is really hard, by the way, which I found out when I was trying to decorate my home. But anyway, I like this little rug too that they chose. They did like a really great job with interior design here. Across from the couch is this little dining table, which we just used this morning. We've really been utilizing their kitchen. This kitchen is awesome. It came in handy so much. So they have an induction stove here, which this was my first time using an induction stove. You basically just have to have a pan over it for it to work. And then, they have like safety features where you can lock it so you can place things and not worry about things getting heated up accidentally. They have a microwave, which we've used to boil some water. They have a toaster up here, and yeah, they have labels for everything too, so you can find things. But they got a toaster up there, which you use to toast our waffles. And nice big sink here. They've got some cups, plates, and bowls in here, which you used. I think we used all of these except for like those tall glasses. These are bags that we got from the grocery store. We've got the coffee maker. Got all the dishes right now because we just ate and did the dishes. Thank you, Tyrone, for doing the dishes.
You're welcome.
Thank you. He actually made breakfast and did the dishes today, so he's awesome. So there's some coffee and tea, I believe there. What is that? Yeah, breakfast tea and coffee and a to-go cup. But I just used, the mug since I just had coffee here. But they do provide like dish towels and dish soap and a sponge so that you can wash your dishes after you're done. I did have coffee. Coffee was really great. I did like their breakfast blend, The medium blend was a little bit dark for me, but that's just me. All right, so these drawers, they have utensils in here, which again, like we used a lot of this. We used this can opener thing to open up our pineapple juice. We used the knife for steak that we cooked. And yeah, the forks and spoons and knives, which are washing right there, or washed right there. Trash can under here. Down here is pots and pans. So they have a good variety. They have cutting boards up there too if you need it. We used the pan, it worked out great. Next to that is a full-size fridge. So they actually had ice in here, but we bought our own ice because we just didn't trust it. Then, you know, down below is the regular fridge where we used to store bacon and eggs that we cooked and some other things. But yeah, this kitchen came in handy and we used it every day for breakfast and dinner. So for breakfast, we would cook eggs and bacon and some waffles. And then for dinner, we had steak. This is the AC unit up here. It worked pretty good. Did you like it? Was it? Yeah, so if it worked for Tyrone, then it works for everybody. And this bathroom is really lovely too. I love how they decorated it. I love the black accents they have on everything. It's kind of like my home, like how I would have designed it. So I really, really love it. I like this bear decoration that they have with the glasses. It's very modern and cute, but it sticks to like the cabin and national park theme, which I like. And I love like these lights that they picked out too. And this mirror, yeah, they just did such a great job picking out everything here. Yeah, so it's like a good sized bathroom, but you know, you can only put in so much. Like this sink, you know, it's small, but it works for this size bathroom. And then, you know, they have like a couple of drawers underneath that you can use. So they have a drawer they have a dryer in here, which I used this morning, worked great. And underneath they have another drawer with like toilet paper, but this is where we kind of store some of our things like toiletries. And next to that, they have like handles where you can put your towels. And they had like extra towels down here too that we used most of them. They actually have like a makeup towel here too, so that, you know, you don't get their white towels or their lighter towels dirty. And here's the shower. Again, like I love like this shower head that they chose. Shower was great. I like the pressure and, you know, got nice hot water. Here's the shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. I actually didn't use their conditioner and shampoo because I bring my own. It's a bath too. And they have a little hook here so you can put a towel. I actually have this hook in my home. So again, yeah, the design aesthetic is just my style, so I love it even more. So yeah, that's pretty much the bathroom. Oh, actually, back here behind the door, they have another hook, and that's where we hung out a lot of our towels. Okay, so I gotta wrap this up because we're gonna leave pretty soon. But yeah, overall, I really loved my stay here. I was a little concerned being on the west side, but I saw that a lot of people stay on the west side because, again, if you plan things last minute for Glacier National Park, everything's gonna be booked. So most likely you're gonna have to stay on the west side. Also, it's cheaper too. This cabin location was awesome. There's plenty of eateries and bars to choose from. There's also a nice grocery store, which we went to a couple times. And I was actually impressed with the prices too. They're reasonably priced. Like a dozen eggs was only $2.50, where, you know, they could easily price gouge here because you don't have very many options. But yeah, they're very, very fair in their price. So we got like steak, we got cup ramen, we got bread, just so we could have food here in the cabin, save some money, and also prepare some food for our hikes at the national park. So yeah, it worked out so great. I loved how handy it came with the kitchen, because I wasn't thinking of using it too much, but ended up using it a lot. Oh, let me show you the outside too real quick, because the outside is really cute. All right, so here's the outside. They have these cute chairs and a table here, so you can, you know, just sit out and relax, because the weather is so nice here in the summertime. We're here August 30th, and we stayed from August 28th, August 30th. Weather was actually quite warm. Average was like high 80s, but while we were here, it was raining a lot, so it wasn't too bad. So it would range from like 50 to high 80s. But right next to it is a general store right there, which we didn't use because, again, we went to the Canyon grocery place. And then right next to that is a RV camp. It's actually a rental place too. So they have rafts, kayaks, e-bikes. So yeah, so here's our cute cabin. It's called the Bear Den. So there's 4 cabins in a row here, and ours is called the Bear Den. Right next to us, it's called what? Moose, I think? Yeah, Moose. And then, a couple other ones that are probably named after wild animals. But I like our name, our cabin name, Bear Den. I think it's super adorable. And yeah, I like that you can park right up to the cabins. Very convenient to, bring all your luggage up. And then you'll have a nice screen door here. And oh yeah, so check-in. To get in, there's a code that you get, and I got that like a couple days before our check-in. And that's like super handy too, because you don't have to carry a key around. Just gotta remember the code. Now, we didn't use the TV. They do have a TV here if you're interested, but it's all streaming services, this apps. So, you have a remote here where you can put in all your personal information, like you can use Netflix, Hulu, and all that, but you have to put in your personal info. And I just don't like doing that. And, I really don't have the energy to watch TV anyway. Like, once we get back to the cabin, we're so tired from all the hiking and sightseeing we've been doing. So we just like crash. So we've never turned on the TV here. But they do have one if you want to watch some TV. All right, well, it is 10 a.m. So we got to check out now. Yeah, that was my only thing. Like, I wish we could check out a little bit later. But it's fine. We gotta go now. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.